Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 3 million or US $19.4 thousand. This beautiful property is nestled in a tranquil area at Pine Boulevard, Kingston 6. It comes with a captivating 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. It is a single family home that can be converted into 2 self-contained spaces. The elegant Brazilian Jatoba hardwood flooring in the living room adds warmth and sophistication. The convenience of a ground floor bedroom with a bathroom ensuite ensures maximum comfort and accessibility. With an enclosed garage and security cameras throughout, your peace of mind and safety are top priorities. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this exceptional property your own in the vibrant and sought after Kingston 6 neighborhood. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 89 million or US $578.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.